Peace. Hatap, Uncle Chisanab. This your brother Capra hollering at you. Today I want to talk to you about psychic vampirism. Nowadays, it's everywhere. Whether you're going to find it at work, people who are friends and associates, relatives, all of that. We're dealing in a society where people are often finding themselves drained of their psychic energy. Have you ever been around people who feel like they always got to argue? They like to go back and forth with you, and it feels like you're never getting anywhere with this person. They're not doing it because they're looking for a solution. A lot of times the reason why they do this is because that's their way of draining someone of their psychic energy. Now, I'm not saying that they know consciously what they're doing, but whether it's conscious or unconscious, no one has the right to drain your psychic energy. Okay? You may have experienced a good day, and next thing you know, someone calls you. They're depressed about something. They always seem to call you when they're depressed, and next thing you know, you're depressed right along with them. That's a form of psychic vampirism. Now, one way that you can deal with that is, first of all, keep in mind, a lot of times psychic vampires, they have holes in their aura, and they may need to get those holes closed up again. Let's say that your aura has been sapped, and you may have a puncture in your own aura. This is where chanting Ankh can help. When you say Ong, and you do that 108 times in the morning, 108 times at night, and just sit still for a while. Ong. Breathe in. Ong. Breathe out as you're chanting. Do this 108 times. And the thing about it is that this will help seal up the holes and the rips and tears in your aura. And if you want to also get more energy, go out to a wooded area or a place where there's a flowing river. Sit, meditate, breathe, and take in the negative ions. It's the negative ions that you need that will help charge you back up. Anyway, I just wanted to share a tidbit of info with you today. Hope all is well with you and your families. We'll talk again soon. Peace and blessings.